gas oil together?
Let's use the gas.
Gas here? Oil. Oil. Gas.
No, you no gas.
Yes.
Gas.
Gas. Oil.
Yeah.
Oil? No. Oil here? No. Oh, up in gas. Up in gas. Oh, no oil.
No, oil and gas together. That's one.
No.
Nah. Okay,
So
so
he
that I
chokes
for
it,
you.
chokes it and
No.
idles it down to shut it off, and then wonders why it won't start.
That's one machine 就是 gassy, everything gassy, no gassy and that's one oil together, oil smoke together.
No.
No?
Four stroke. Two stroke oil. Two stroke. This 4-stroke.
That's a horse.
Yeah.
My God, maybe I do that one.
Maybe you're brain damaged, eh?
Yeah.
Probably.
You
Pretty
that one
pretty
good.
good chance.
That one. That's one. Small one. Small oil.
Oh my god.
Does it look good?
Oh, it'll smoke. It'll chooch. Choo, you know? Yeah.
Oh, 就是that one. 就是that one.
Look at this guy. Oh my god.
I for you $2. $20. That's one more.
Yeah, you told me that. I'll give you 25 cents, you bastard.
25.
Yeah.
You need a 25 one? 25 cents.
Yeah.
You need a?
No. What am I going to do with that?
No, my brother, China go
Your
there.
Chinese brother?
China go there, yeah. China go there. Maybe $3, one more.
Oh my
He
God.
Home Depot sold
Ooh.
$5.99.
Oh.
One more. That's one 5 inches. 5
Feet.
feet.
Holy.
Okay, I for you. You see that?
Yeah, let me see. Show me. Oh, somebody there? Someone inside?
My sister.
Oh, your sister? She's going to be on the movie too.
Hey,
Oh.
hey, 叫我妹啊！你叫我妹開啦。
Oh, I wish I knew some Chinese stuff to say. Fuck, I can't remember stuff very good. Oh, I forget.
哦，he 就是 gas，貨
4-stroke.
重
Yeah.
，two 重就 together。
Yeah.
Maybe I go there, I see that he does not that one.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
你係感冒我我對佢哋必須佢哋到佢出嚟，伊係感冒。
Oh my god.
America.
Oh my god, Mariota?
Ah.
Well, before we go into Tumuchi's lair there, I just wanted to send you a little friendly reminder about the sweet freaking merchandise we got handmade at onepugga.com. And yeah, if you order $50 or more, you get a free Mariola Hustler shirt. And if you order $100 or more, you get free shipping as well. So there's sweet deals all around in Inwood, boys. Freaking rights. Much obliged. Back to our regular podcast.
Okay, you need I for you.
Yes.
You call outside. You hear outside too big. You don't know. Come on.
Oh, Tumuchi's gonna get me a. Oh my god. Oh,
You see?
Oh, you just got tablets?
It's good. You two times you okay.
Oh, the Chinese
One time two
tablets.
more. One time two more. 2 times 4 more. You
Chinese
everything
tablets?
okay.
1-2 times?
No. I got it for you.
1-2 times?
Very good. You no picture. You eat it? Go house to eat it. You.
Yeah, I eat at home. What kind of for
I for you too. You need okay. 2 okay. 2 times okay.
How many? What is this for?
No, one time, two more. One time, this one, two more. One time, two more.
Coltane. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Hey, that's his Lila? Lila? I don't know.
Mariola?
Lila.
Oh, I'm freaking out. What?
No!
Oh, freaking crazy bastard.
My brother here, he 200, I 200.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Maybe.
Mariola Hustler. Mariola Hustler.
No, you
yeah. Tumuchi Mariola.
You Mariola, no good.
My Mariola no good?
No good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Peas. Or no too muchy?
No.
No? Okay.
Will that one. Machine. You go see that. I go, no working. Galas.
Galas. Holy. They're like freaking field workers at Tumuchi's house, for freak's sake. Good. Absolute lard. Holy Tumuchi, you crazy. Watch this one. Watch this trick. He's got a little spy camera here.
No, crazy. You
What?
crazy.
What?
No, Pedro. That's my brother. No Pedro. That's not me. Not one more my brother. That one me.
Just Tumuchi?
No. 即係我對你而家做打我嘅，伊講嘅以前你使紅阿腰啊，使起嘅，伊講伊做施工嘅，你都使做塊紅阿腰使啲啊你定不做啊？但 No, that's one change the gas. No change, okay?
You brothers?
Yeah, I brother. You know
Yeah.
English?
No English?
Yeah.
Holy.
Hey, that one not good. Maybe change, no change.
I mean, it won't hurt it.
You see, no working.
It won't hurt it. It'll just smoke a little bit. Smoke. Chooch, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Watch this. Hey, you need this one? On. This one. This one. Oh, this one. No working?
No working. Working 的知道 ，working 的知道 ，no。Yeah, working 知道。Baby,
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
You gotta just run it on the choke.
Huh?
Just run it on choke.
Change the gas. No change gas. You will go. You need the next one. Oh my God, baby, bye. Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
You go. This
Oh
one,
my
no
God.
change. No change.
It works. Send it. It's working.
What is crazy? Stop. Look good. Oh, long time. Working. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Change the gas.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
You go, Easter.
Yeah.
I will Easter.
Okay. Thank you. I got
Thank
some.
you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Tumuchi's brother. Where's my tablets? Where did I put my tablets for Tumuchi? I got these tablets right out of the Mariola operation. says, oh, it says fortune. Fortune on the back there. So it's like a little fortune cookie, a little fortune tablet, if you will. Cold and allergy tab. Coltalin. I don't know. Cotalin. I don't know. But yeah, we'll bite that and see if it fixes my nose. Because the ones that I ate didn't fix my nose. The ones that I ate. But we met Tumuchi's brother and sister, and they are slave labor and terrible in accordance to probably some type of bootleg regulatory immigrant type program. So that's good. Just violating different immigration laws and stuff, no big deal. Fucking lucky. Look at what those guys get to sant from this side. Fucking lucky bastards. Oh, hex angly's coming. Hold your pliants. Hold your pliants, boys. Oh, it just smells like dog shit all of a sudden. Gross. Just absolute gross. Okay, go. Well, yesterday was a write-off after eating this Chinese tablet, so let's see what it does to fellas.
Oh, man.
Right?
Chewable or swallow?
I think you chew it.
Oh, God, it's going to taste the greatest already.
Oh, it's not a chewable then, probably. Oh, is it good? Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank you.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, tastes like medicine.
I'll have to check back in a minute and see what happens. Well, I don't know. It was a rough couple days. I had some sort of allergic dander fit, and then Tumuchi gave me a pill from China, and like it actually worked for a couple hours, but then it came back with vengeance, and then now I'm good. But I gave one to the felon, so we'll see what his take is. I think Shania Twain freaking showed up last night. Freaking Shania Twain. Was that pill any good? Did Shania Twain show up?
Well, last night?
Yeah.
No.
No Shania Twain?
No Shania Twain's last night.
Pill's no good? You need more?
Oh.
You need more?
I don't even know what we're supposed to do, if anything.
Yeah? You didn't feel any effects?
No. Maybe like a little.
Just a hint?
But I could just be like way too not sensitive to caffeine or whatever the towel is supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
It just doesn't do anything.
What, for crank calls?
Oh yeah. When you could pick up the receiver and you could hear the person physically hanging up.
Oh, this one, the other one said fortune on the back, and this one just says some Chinese words or something. So, oh shit, I forgot those boner pills.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah,
no, man.
we should get a couple boner pills in you and see what happens. See if you can. But that's pretty crazy to find boner pills. I should give them away to somebody will.
Somebody who will.
Or order some merch off onepuglife.com. I'll just throw a pack of boner pills in a random order. If you partake, maybe you could request it. Oh, I request fucking crazy scrap car boner pills. Mm-hmm. Gas station boner pills.
Coltalin.
Mm-hmm.
It's cold and allergy tablets.
Yeah.
Come on now. Well, that's how I've actually been having allergies. So.
Right? That's what because I started having a fit, right? So he gave me one of those. It worked good for an hour. Right on. So I'll have to come back later and see the effects on that.
Oh, yeah. Well, two of them, you never know what could
Yeah,
happen.
one, chew up one, not too bad. Mm-hmm. Suck two back, see what happens. Oh yeah, get them on tablets and fucking stick that up ya. Okay, for a movie. It's just for a movie. It's not gay. It's just like it's this movie.
Yeah.
You know? Just making a movie.
Stuff in other guys' butts, it's not gay.
Yeah, no, you just do it yourself. I tried that with a carrot and I felt terrible, icky. Like, still don't feel good about that. Doing a sex act on another dude. Yuck. I don't like that. Oh no, the fucking loader door's open. Who did that? Who left the fucking loader door open?